If you ever wanted to start your own clothing brand, but you didn't want to buy inventory, handle shipping, or risk wasting your money, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you a platform that lets you design, launch, and sell real products in just a few clicks. No warehouse and no upfront inventory, so there's no stress. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sharon B, Life by Sharon B. On this channel, I talk about side hustles, creator life, and building something of your own. Today, I'm walking you through a creator-friendly platform called Tapstitch that makes starting your own brand actually realistic. So let's talk about Tapstitch. Tapstitch is a premium print-on-demand and drop-shipping platform built for creators and entrepreneurs. That means you design the product, Tapstitch makes it, Tapstitch ships it, your customer receives it, and you never have to touch inventory. This is not your basic print site. Tapstitch is built for real brand building with better quality products, better design tools, and a smoother process from ideal to store. Y'all know I'm all about smart moves and multiple income streams. I don't want to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on hoodies that might not sell. With Tapstitch, I can test designs, see what my audience actually likes, and scale when I'm ready. If you've ever thought about launching a merch, a clothing line, or even a full brand around your personality, this is exactly the kind of tool that makes that possible. Let me show you how simple this is. First, you pick your product, a t-shirt, hoodie, crew neck, or whatever fits your brand. Then you upload your design, you choose your colors, and you preview your product in real time. Literally within minutes, you can go from an idea in your head to a real product people can buy. If you want to start your own brand, Tapstitch makes it easy. You sign up, create your designs, and launch your store. No warehouse, no shipping headaches, and no upfront inventory. I'm working with Tapstitch on this video, and I may earn a commission if you sign up using my link in the description, and I'll pin a comment at no extra cost to you. What I love about this is that it removes the biggest barriers for creators: money, logistics, and being overwhelmed. You don't need a manufacturer. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need your creativity and your vision. If you've been sitting on ideas, this is your push to actually move on them. Tapstitch is built specifically for creators who want to launch real products without holding inventory or dealing with shipping. Just a reminder, what I like is that you can upload your designs, adjust placement, choose your colors, and see what exactly your products will look like before you publish them. One more thing I want to add. What makes Tapstitch really powerful is that you can test ideas without spending your own money on inventory. You can design, Tapstitch products, and ship directly to your customers. If you've been thinking about starting a brand, this is a great place to begin. Use my Tapstitch link in the description and in the pinned comment to get started. And just a reminder, I may earn commission if you use my link at no extra cost to you. If you've been thinking about starting your own brand, this is your sign. Sign up with Tapstitch, link in the description, and I will pin a comment to start building your brand today. If you want more creator tips, side hustles, and brand building content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.